Warning: bounty hunters are not law enforcement.
Rolling. Alright, what's up YouTube? I'll see you back in another video. We are actually going to be, this is kind of a new warrant. Not a new warrant. We are actually looking for someone who broke out of jail. He broke out of one of my officer buddies' custody. So we're going to go see if we can take them back into custody, I should say. Not into custody, back into custody. Apologies if you guys can't hear me. I don't have my microphone hooked up. My microphone is broken right now. And Amazon won't give me a refund. So yeah. I believe his last known location was here. Or somewhere here. There's a light. Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office, come out from the bush. Come out from the bush. Come out from the bush. I see you in there. You see your hands. Hands. Step out here. Back up, camera. Step out here.
Alright, don't do this.
On your knees. Get on your knees. Hey! Full bell. You're gonna get tackled, bro. It's gonna hurt.
Oh shit. Oh shish kebabs. His camera.
It's too low for flash, so hurry. Hey man, let me see your hands, bro. Come on. Poor Bob, I got one running for me. Sorry guys, my phone battery is way too low to use flash, so if you guys can't see me, I apologize. Where'd he go?
He's over there.
Back up.
He's over there.
Where is he?
He's over there. The same spot. Yeah, the same spot.
Back in the bush?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pepper spray him out here.
Should you tackle him? Are you gonna tackle him?
He's not even in there. You lied to me, camera. He ain't in there.
He said he's not in the same spot.
Very confused. Where is he? Oh, Rob, I lost, guys. What's up, guys? Obviously, back in another video. Today's video, we're finding a break and entry in progress. The neighbors called in saying that their neighbor's car was being broken into. I'm just going to wait for this car, or two cars, to pass us, and we'll go respond to that call. Alright, let's start walking.